Welcome to the Funny Carpenter. Today, Welcome to the Funny Carpenter. Today, a super simple fix for the one major flaw with this Makita Track Saw. The Makita Track Saw is a beautiful, smooth, precise machine capable of doing so many different things. But there's one fatal flaw. The depth gauge only comes in metric. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense in North America to have a metric scale because all of our tape measures and the materials that we work with are all in imperial measurements. You can grab out your phone and convert it, or you can set the depth by plunging it while it's sitting on the track. But yeah, if you try to set the depth when you just measure off the base plate here, yeah, you have to add the thickness of the track. So it's way more complicated than it has to be. So this metric depth gauge has been plaguing me for about a year, until one day I came up with a simple solution. Yeah, so now if you're trying to cut say you're cutting some 3/4 inch material and you're cutting it on some 2x4s or a sheet of plywood, and you don't want to cut into this scrap material and wreck it or cut too far where all of a sudden you're binding something. So yeah, you're cutting some 3/4 inch material, you check the sticker, 19.05 millimeters, come over to the depth gauge. The metric depth gauge is actually pretty awesome now because you don't have to worry about any fractions. So you're gonna you probably wanna set that at like 21 millimeters. Just make sure you come through enough and you're off to the races. You don't have to worry about pulling out your phone to convert the measurement or getting your tape and trying to plunge this thing down and measure it, which is kind of awkward. I mean, obviously, if you're smarter than me, you probably would know the equivalents just off the top of your head, but for whatever reason, I could never remember them. And every time I think I do remember them, I mess something up. Yeah, so I'm super happy with the sticker. I mean, there's nothing worse than getting yourself all set up, make a cut, and then you're like just a little bit shy in a few spots, or even worse, you've set the thing too deep and now the next thing you know, you've wrecked something that you're not supposed to be wrecking. I'll put the info for the conversion sticker in the description, so if you want to make your own, you can grab it there. You know, I took the time to print mine out on a nice little sticker. I think it's pretty nice that way, but if you don't have a printer, you could easily just write this onto a piece of painter's tape and stick it on there. I mean, the sticker is definitely a little classier. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.
My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings that trigger what you say. Think it's difficult to get out on my brain. I wish life went in any other way, but it's all side roads to nowhere, and I can't find a map that seemed to mark my place. My heart frigid when it sit inside that cold air that exists between our lack to say. But I always wanna spend my time with you, even when I'm whacking, got no change. You still sticking here with me, yeah, you still sticking here with me. And I just wanted to say thank you.